Yes, what's going on YouTube? Hope you're having an amazing day today. Dooley here with another unboxing and review. Wanted to get this out to you a lot earlier, but what ended up happening was Adidas sent me this package really late, and I don't know why. This package was actually ordered before Christmas. But yeah, finally got it, so I hope you enjoyed the review. Let's roll the intro. I don't know how it goes. Anyways. All right, so we got this package here from Adidas. You'll already know what it is based on the thumbnail and based on the title of the video, but still, let's get into it. So of course you have to have your obligatory YouTube unboxing knife, and let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so that's that. Put the knife away, and I didn't unbox it all. That would probably be smart if I did. Hold on. Tape is tough. Anyways. So, as you can see there, pull this out, fall into my lap. Nothing else in the box, in case you wanted to see. And so here they are, the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yechiel, which is apparently how you pronounce it, from what I've heard. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so that's how the packaging looks on the inside. Up. There's the first shoe. And it's weird, that one's upside down. Anyways, there's the second shoe. So, down for a second. So yeah, so this is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yechiel. Let's get a little close up here. There you are. So, a few things about this shoe. Let me actually quickly tell you a quick story. I didn't actually really want these shoes. I'm incredibly happy, especially now that I have them in hand, that I did get them. But what ended up happening is, in Canada at least, on the Adidas app, you have to basically put in, you have to put yourself into a draw, and you have to put in your credit card information and all of that beforehand, in case you do win the draw. And then if you do win the draw, they just charge your account and they send it out to you right away. So I figured, okay, you know what, why not? Let me give it a shot. I'll put my name in. I highly doubt I'll get it. And then that was around probably 9 or 7:30 in the morning or something like that. And the draw was supposed to be at 11 a.m. And then later on, I got a notification and an email that I got the shoes and that they're being shipped out to me. So yeah, a little unexpected, but hey, all right, I'll take it. And again, really happy that I did get them. So just a quick few things about the shoe itself. What I do really like about it is actually it's an incredibly loud shoe. You got all these multicolors all over the place. You've got like the green back here. You got some blue, looks like up here. You got these like off-white colors and all of that. And another really cool thing on this prime knit upper is you got like the reflective laces. So this is the non-reflective pair, but I don't know if you can. I don't know if the camera's picking it up there, but the laces do kind of reflect the light a little bit. And as we know, this shoe is incredibly comfortable. I mean, everybody has a Yeezy 350 V2 now. You got the the Boost midsole right there. Incredibly comfortable to walk in. Great everyday shoe if you do have a pair. So yeah, that's basically it. You got the black outsole and all of that, and the black midsole as well. It's a great shoe. It's a great way to kind of, if you really want to make, if you really want to wear a very simple fit, but you still want something to pop, you can definitely put these on and it'll definitely look good. Now, what I want to get into, which is kind of the thing about my YouTube channel, is I want to get into how these shoes are like to drive in. Now, I haven't actually driven in these specific shoes, but I have driven in Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. And one thing I do want to say, these are garbage to trash in. Garbage to trash in? No, sorry. garbage to drive in. These are trash to drive in, is what I meant to say. For me, what I'm looking for in a driving shoe, first and foremost, is pedal feel. And because of the Boost midsole, you don't actually get any of it. It doesn't matter what kind of car you're driving. You know, it's just really bad. So I really wouldn't recommend, you know, wearing these shoes to like a track day or to like a you know, an autocross or anything like that. You know, I mean, it isn't all that bad. I mean, you know, the outsole here is wide, so it is really good for heel and toeing. You do get the curved you know, midsole into outsole on the back as well, which is kind of good. But again, you know, where the shoe falls apart is the Boost outsole. Now, don't get me wrong, I love this shoe. It's an amazing shoe. You know, I'm not going to, you know, not wear it just because it's not that great to drive in. I'm gonna wear it all the time, but I'm just probably never gonna take this to a track day or anything like that. So yeah, that's basically it. I am gonna be doing a quick on feet. So here, why don't we go ahead and check that out now? So thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you clicking on it. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a giant thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave a comment down below what shoes you like to drive in. How you feel about the Yeezy Boost 350, especially the Yechiels. Is the Yeezy Boost 350 a little bit played out? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you think that is the case. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great January.